study English! Yay!
Do you like to fight about every single thing? Do you like to argue about every single thing? It can be tricky when somebody likes to argue a lot about something. So, advice we might give that person is, whoa, don't fight about everything, because, otherwise you're very busy and it's kind of boring. So, the advice we give somebody like this is choose your battles wisely. This means don't fight about every single thing. A battle is kind of like a war, okay? So it's kind of suggesting choose which war to fight, and so possibly you might win those specific battles. So an example might be, to be a happy family, parents need to choose their battles wisely. Choose your battles wisely. Today's expression. Like, subscribe. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.
スーザンと一緒に Let's study English! Yay!